And we are now here in the grocery. I'm going to buy eggs. Good morning, guys. Yeah, it is already 8:10. And yeah, I end up getting here in the house last night. The rain actually continues until this morning. And I'm going to prepare my breakfast. Yeah, rice meal for breakfast. And this is what I'm going to eat. So last night I actually went to the grocery and bought the egg. Yeah, I ran out of battery when I was in the grocery. This chopping board is just for cooked food. I don't use this chopping board for meat, raw meat. This is a lot. I won't be able to finish it all. And I want it spicy, so I'm going to eat this sambal oleg. It is already 15 minutes to 2 o'clock. I actually just wake up. Yeah, and I'm preparing my coffee now. Before, when I was a little bit younger, yeah, I don't sleep. I don't want to sleep because sleeping is like wasting a time. Usually when I am day off, yeah, I just go around, and I'm really getting old. That's why I think that's the reason why I sleep. Oh, I have some donut. Yeah, I still have some of this donut. The sugar is already melted. I'm getting old, but I feel that there's nothing changed in my mind, in my heart. Yeah, it's just the body. Oh, just now I noticed that the orange of the neighbor is actually, yeah, they have a lot of oranges. Nice. And I over microwave it. Yeah, 30 seconds is enough, but this 1 minute. Wow, that's cool. Alright, there is no more rain. Blue sky is somehow showing. But yeah, we can't go out. It's already 4 o'clock, 4:05 actually. And so what I did, yeah, I transferred the television from the room to here, and I put here the world map, and I put here my printer. Yo, good afternoon, guys. Yeah, we are now here in Nelson Bay in the Woolworths. I'm going to buy something to eat for my lunch. Very nice weather today compared to the previous 2 days when I am day off. There this discounted yeah, chicken, beef, tuna, ready to eat meals, burger patties. Yeah, all of them discounted, almost, I mean over 50% discount, but there's nothing that I like. I'm going to get this eggplant. Yeah, 2 of this. 1 kg is $9.90. Oh, I just saw Mr. Mick. Hi, Mr. Mick. Long time no see, Mr. Mick. Yeah, Mr. Mick is a local guy here in here in the area. He's usually riding his bike. I actually can grill it here. Ah, no, I'll cook it in the oven. Yeah, I'll cook it there. I have some leftover rice. Looks less. Should I cook more? No, that's enough. how it is now. This one looks good. This one is broken, but it's okay. The rice is not enough. I just got this much more. Actually, I'm going to eat it all. So basically, my water bottle is the coffee bottle. That much of mess after cooking tortang talong. Yeah. So the time now is already almost 5 o'clock. Just 5 minutes. And the good thing is that outside is still bright. Yeah, if you remember in the previous, last week, 5 o'clock is already dark outside. Because you know, during winter, yeah, the day is very short. Usually 5 o'clock is already dark, but yeah, spring is coming. Amazing. My favorite season is spring and autumn. And then summer. Winter is the last. Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, we are now here in Salamander Bay Shopping Square. And I'm going to the petrol station. Yeah. I decided to go to petrol station when I'm driving already. That's why I stop here because I need to check which one is the cheaper option. Yeah, because here in this area there are three petrol station here in this area. Okay, so according here, premium diesel. Wow, look at that. So much a big difference. Here on Mobile, just 209. In Ampol, 219. In Shell, 218. So we're going here in 209. $9, $10 difference. But I am going first to Aldi. I'm going to buy some vegetable. The weekly special that they have these days are the dried nuts. Even this quinoa, chia, oats, cashew nuts, sunflower seed. Yeah. And they still have this winter clothing. Oh, this one looks good. Pig's ears. And they are real pig. You see that? Or 100% all natural pork. A lot of them. Yeah, for the dog to eat, to play. And I know now, just fall in love again. I need this green fish, but it's too much. $2.59, but too much. It's okay, I think. And I'm also getting some of this potato. Yeah, the one with the soil and clean. It's called the brush potatoes, and it's $2.99. And the wash one, the clean one, is $3.69. So I'm going to get this one because this is the cheap one. And then these carrots, but it's too much. Yeah, just $1.29. And it's a lot. Looks like, yeah, it's 1 kg of carrots. And also 1 bell pepper, just the red one. It's $4.49. Also this garlic, $2.99. Yeah, 3 pieces. And this is actually coming from Argentina. Yeah, we are back here in the car, and it is hot here inside the car because of the heat of the sun, but outside is just good. Okay, we are going now to the petrol station to buy petrol, diesel. And do you know that my gas here, the diesel that I have, is now more than 1 month already. Today is August 17 and I bought the gas last July 13. Yeah, if you can see my bank transaction, fuel Salamander Bay 110.56 to make it up, and that is a full tank. So I think I have a good fuel economy. I'm not really sure. Yeah, this one is just around here in the Bay Area, going to work, going to the shopping center, going to Newcastle. I did one time, went to Newcastle, and actually I still have this much of gas. And you know, the full tank of this can drive up to, yeah, over 800 kilometers. Yeah, and we are now here in the petrol station, and this is actually just at the back of Aldi. And yeah, it's 139.86, 66.76 liters. Oh, I just stopped here. Actually, I made a U-turn. Yeah, I was already in the park, but then I saw a garage sale, so I come back here. And if in case I like something, I'm going to use this. This is the tip I received yesterday. Yeah, from time to time chef giving us tip. There's no specific time or date. Yeah, so I end up buying this. Yeah, kind of a desk table, side table. It's $25. And I also met a Filipina and the husband, of Australian husband. Yeah, and they are new here in the area, here in Nelson Bay. Yeah, so we are chatting while browsing for different items on the garage. And actually, I didn't find anything that I like except this one. But yeah, I don't really want to buy this, but you know, I was already shy to just go without buying anything, because the owner, the lady, is very nice.